Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear cache for an app on your Android device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, many times a simple fix to a lot of app issues could be to just clear the cache, right? And sometimes it also involves restarting your device too. While we all know how to restart our device, sometimes people struggle to see this option of clearing cache. So this is what I'm going to explain in this Android devices, and similar steps can be in other kinds of devices too. Okay, I'm using the Samsung, but even though you may have an other manufacturer, still you can follow the same steps for your Android device. So go to settings, and in settings tap on apps, as you can see here. So I am in apps. Okay, now let's say you want to clear the cache for Amazon. Now Amazon is a very popular and common app. Like, who doesn't use Amazon nowadays? Everyone does, right? So I'll click on Amazon. Okay, now here you see here, if you scroll down, you have this storage. Okay, this is where you are gonna use it. So when you click on storage, you see the app version, you see the data, or you can say the storage it is using. So you see, do you see the cache here? Okay, now at the bottom of the page you have the option to clear data and clear cache too. While most of the issues get fixed by clearing cache itself, sometimes you may need to clear data. I'm not specifically talking about this Amazon app, in many apps. Okay, many times if you have an issue, even clearing the cache is fine, but sometimes clearing the data is required, and sometimes you may have to uninstall and reinstall the app. So I'm not going to go into those steps, those you are already aware. But if I have to clear the cache, I can simply go to clear cache. See, it has become 0 bytes, as you can see in front of you, and this clear cache option is disabled because right now there is no cache. But yes, the way you start using the app, it's gonna auto build cache in order to enhance the performance. Okay, so this is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and feel free to write any feedback that comes in your mind, and I welcome all the feedback, whether positive or negative or anything. Okay, thank you guys.